Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be answering a question that I asked myself one late night when I was looking around online. And the question was, what on earth is that? And that's this right here. This was listed as a magnetic mechanical pencil. And to be fair, I'm kind of a sucker for anything magnetic, and I kind of wanted to figure out what this was, even though it looked kind of weird. Now, according to the tag, it says aviation aluminum mechanical pencil, 2.0 millimeters, and I think I got a black one. So these come, you can tell from the package, in different colors. So, high quality aviation aluminum body, innovative magnetic control technology, luxurious appearance, elegant and light. Subversion of the traditional mechanical pencil concept. Okay. Let's subvert some mechanical pencil concepts, I guess. And take a look at it. I'm hoping this thing is kind of cool. I don't, however, know, as this is an adventure for me, too. Alright, so alright. It's already looking kind of interesting. Let's see. We got a thing. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay. Instructions. Adjust the pencil leg. There's not multiple pages in here. I'll share the instructions with y'all. We're just happy that you're happy, etc., etc. If you're unhappy, please write to us. Alright. So let's see. Children under 6 years old are required to use under guidance of parents. Luckily, I'm slightly older than 6 years old. So what the magnifying glass is. Here's a gold thing, and this is a sharpener. Oh, okay. So it's a lead sharpener. It's kind of nifty, I guess. Alright. So let's see. Well, there is a magnet in here, and it runs in the end. Alright, so adjust the pencil lead. Unscrew the pencil head. Alright, I can do this. I've unscrewed the pencil head. Sliding metal ring to adjust the length of the lead. Okay. That's interesting. Can y'all see? Maybe y'all can see it. There's a point where it goes back, and then I'm assuming there's something metal at the end of this. Replace the lead. Alright, so this little bandy thing controls the lead positioning. Let's screw the tip back on. So, okay, that's kind of interesting. Okay, so check this out. Well, I messed that up. But, so theoretically, check this out. This thing, when you screw the head on, it clamps down on the lead right here. And so, when you push it farther out, you adjust it. I feel like this is interesting but needlessly complicated, if that makes sense. It's a neat idea, but the fact that you have to unscrew the tip to adjust the lead doesn't strike me as the best design choice. It's like, as you can see, you can basically pick a point where it's off. Now I can completely see learning to guess the right distance. Like say it's about that far, and you can sort of check and see. So you adjust it maybe when it's partially unscrewed. Okay, so you adjust it when it's partially unscrewed, and then you screw it in, and then you sharpen it as you sharpen it to get a nifty point on it. You sharpen it to get a nifty point on it. Alright. Now let's see. This is the WSD magnetic pencil thing. It's okay. I mean, it takes the... Well, actually, does it take custom LEDs? Push up. Alright, so far, I think the coolest thing is the LED case. I'd like one of these for like some of the colored LEDs, for the ones that take the 0.2 millimeter lens. Alright, so replace LEDs. So we unscrewed this end, and I'm going to keep unscrewing. We keep unscrewing. Wow, we unscrewed for a while, and then oh, we got to unscrew the lid at the front too. So, alright. Okay. So, the lead sits in this thing. And this thing has some metal. And you put the lead in. You totally ruin a pair of gloves. And then I wonder if the gold thing is just a style issue. Like if you want to be extra, like having some extra bling. Let's try that. Alright, so I'll reload this thing like so. Pick what we consider a reasonable distance for the lead. Insert the gold one and screw this back in. So many threads. There we go. So I guess you have a choice depending upon how blingy you feel. If you want to go with the metal one, the metallics, like silver color one, or the gold. It's kind of interesting. It's an interesting gimmick. I don't know if the gimmick is worth the effort though. I feel like there's simpler ways to have a mechanical pencil. Anyway, so let me know what you think. You think it's a good idea? A terrible idea? Think it's super weird? Do you just like the lead holder? I like the lead holder, by the way. Yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. And, you know, see what you think. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.